All right, folks, welcome back. This is episode 10, take 2, because I am an idiot and forgot to hit record on the last one. So we'll show you those designs at the end of this episode. But welcome, Juna. Thanks again for joining me on this one.
Of course. This is fun, man. Love it.
Tons of fun. For those of you who already know how this works, go ahead and fast forward till you see the wheel spinning to find out what the subject matter and aesthetic is going to be. For those of you who are new here, you see this wheel I got here. We have a bunch of different aesthetics, and then I got another list of a bunch of subject matter. So we're going to pick one totally random and then pick the subject matter totally random. And we're going to go head to head over 25 minutes and see what happens. And one of the beauty things about this was Juna's idea, but he wanted to do this kind of game show thing. And it just sounded so much fun to do. And the best part that you mentioned last week, Juna, was like how all of this is off the top of the head now. It's like a free expression. We're not doing a bunch of, Etsy or Amazon research where we're getting jaded and doing, seeing what's out there.
Yeah, this is purely for fun. And I think this is a great exercise that everybody should do, regardless if you're doing it for a game show or YouTube or whatever. I think you go and try some of these. Just pick two things off of here and go for it, and you learn along the way. And the time limit's really important too, because you don't want to take forever on this. The nice thing is that there is a stop, and you stop and you learn what you learn, right? You come out with what you got, and then it's nice. So
yeah, I mean, it's always good, like you said, to get the creative juices flowing and get you outside of your, your niche mind or whatever kind of track you are on.
Yeah, spoiler alert, that last one that we just did was definitely outside of our niche. So
yeah, I'm just going to make sure they're off screen here. Okay, let's see what we're doing today for episode 10B or 10V2. Interesting. Simple line art. Okay.
Ooh, wow. I did not expect that one, but let's go for it.
So simple line art, and now I'm going to...
Yeah, I think AI is going to be pretty good. There's a lot of Kittl AI apps or models out there that can do it. So we just need, what is the art going to be about? Let's see.
Simple line art, and then I'm going to paste the subject matter in here.
Yeah.
Let's see, we got everything from weirdcore, soccer, ice cream, Bigfoot, all the way down to hot dogs.
Space. Yes.
Simple line art space.
Simple line art space.
I can't think of the band name, but where they got the mountains and it's just over and over and over.
Oh, I don't know that one either, but that sounds cool.
All right, so
simple line art space. Let's do this.
Simple line art space.
Are you gonna type it?
Yep. Just so I need it for a reference for me.
I do too. Let's put it in the middle there for us, and then I'll start the timer when we're ready. This should be a fun one because every one of our other ones have been so detailed. It's a nice change to try and think simple. Simple's hard. Although the name is simple, keeping it simple on a t-shirt's kind of hard. 25 minutes seems like our time that we like to do. We usually go over 25, but 20 was too short, so let's do 20.
I'll try my best to stay within our time frame now. Yeah.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. All right.
Line art.
Simple. I'm going to see if there's any simple templates. I don't know. They might. Oh, I like this bowl thing, but that's not a line art. Yes. Okay. Simple line art t-shirt, maybe. Yeah. A lot of it is mainly text, but I like this line bowl. Oh, I like your cat. I saw it. Sneak peek.
Yep.
We're doing research. Research is key.
Man, I'm going to probably be relying on AI pretty heavily in this one.
Yeah, for sure. I don't think there's going to be exactly what we need here. And that's the beauty of AI. When there isn't anything, in the art or in the graphics, even with Kittl or Canva or any of these, they have a whole big list of graphic stuff, but it's only things that other people have drawn. And so you're kind of limited in a sense, even though there's thousands of graphics on there, you're still kind of limited to what's in there. But with AI, you can think outside of that box or outside of what people haven't done or thought of. So it's kind of nice that way.
Yeah, it's definitely, even if you have an idea, but to change it into line art, to create hand-drawn line art would just take so long, right?
Yes.
So to be able to hopefully I can use Nano Banana with their smart boards here to turn some of these into a line art kind of style.
Yeah.
I think it'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, I think we can. I'm trying to see what, like, they have so many. I love it that they have a lot of space t-shirt ideas in Kittl, which is really cool.
Yeah, tons.
Oh, this one's kind of line art already. Looking for like a phrase that I can use and then put a line art in it. No, you picked the same one as I did. Or maybe I
Really?
did. Is that guy sitting on the moon?
Yeah.
Is that? I like the artwork on that one. It's weird that when I pick something, it goes on your side. I guess Kittl doesn't know who's picking what or what side's what. Ooh, what is this? Reach for the stars. That could be cool. All right.
What did this say over here? I like this right here. It said pause planets and infinite adventures. So taking inspiration and mashing these up. Let's go with
simple line art. I gotta remember.
Come down here in case you need this artboard.
I'm going to take out all the decorations and stuff. Just make it totally white. All right, let me see. Oh, we got AI. Let's see. They have some styles, Photo, vector, vector. There we go. And yeah, they got line icons and line drawings. So, and then this line art right here. Okay, I'm going to do that.
I like these colors too. And then the other one had green and pink and blue. I like those too. Very retro. Matches the color of my hat almost, a neon green here.
Oh, yeah.
Regenerate. Generate again. So it did right here. I just want to...
Oh, I always just do one image, but I'm going to try 4 images this time. 4 images at once with Kittl AI. Yeah.
As soon as I try to do that, it craps out on me still.
No.
Yeah, it just
I should have asked you first. Well, dang it. It came through. 2 of them came through. 3, 4, yeah. Got him. I love it when it happens and it works, huh? Ooh. Whoa. I don't know about simple, but this is line art. I'm taking it. I threw simple out of the way. Let's see. Did I?
You had a couple come in at the same time. That's great. There we go. This looks way better.
Yeah. This could work. No, is this one better though? Oh, I always forget about time. We got 16 minutes left. Wow, we're golden, man.
We are so golden. That's working. I
think the last time, the last one that we did kind of helped us with this one because the last one was so hard. And this is this is easy in comparison. In fact, I'm going to try and work on another one just to make sure maybe my second one will be better, I'm
just going to try and make it all line art. I have no idea how this is going to work out because I got to somehow make this line art now, right?
Simple line art. In fact, I'm going to try and change the style. I want to try this line icon. I'm going to do 4 again. It worked last time.
Generate again. So I enhanced my prompt this time. Let's see what happens.
You're using Kittl Flows?
Mm-hmm.
I'm using the Kittl AI, just the straight, I believe, Ideogram 2.0A. Yeah. Hey, that turned out great.
So did you just put in your own prompt or did you?
Yeah. I put a rocket ship in space with stars. And this last one. The one I did before I added more, but I used a different model or different style too. So yeah, I wanted to do this guy kind of idea. Just super simple. Almost like a business one.
Where can I go to describe my image?
For Kittl Flows?
Yeah, or anywhere.
Yeah, it should be on the right when you do the box. Yeah, go up there. All those things, right? I think that's where you put it. It's like a prompt.
Yeah, failed to generate, so it doesn't understand what I'm asking.
Oh no.
Which is fine.
Ooh. I'm gonna see if there's any rocket t-shirt. Ooh, galactic space. That's kind of cool. Explore space. Ooh, explore space. I mean, I'm following the simple line art, but it also has to be something people actually want to buy too, right?
Yep.
All right, you guys, come on, move up here. I got a bunch of rocket ships.
Great. Ideogram 2.0. What's Ideogram 3?
Oh, I want this on here. There's my mask. Boom. All right. And then this will be
tool sets generator, imagery style.
Boom.
Imagery style.
I'm working on color. I want.
Oh, here we go. This is
maybe I make this.
Cool.
You got something cool?
I think so because you can go into imagery style.
Yeah, you found it, huh?
I did.
Oh my goodness! Wow, you got a bunch of line art stuff there.
Yeah, just gotta find one that looks cool to me.
Yep.
Wow, this looks crazy. Let's try that way. Show
Or
all.
if I can to right, remove background.
This one.
Full line
Select
art.
one at a time. So let's go with you and generate. Let's see what the heck happens here. And I don't know where it's gonna or how it's gonna look. This will be super interesting.
Yeah.
How are we doing for time?
Yeah, good question. We got 9 minutes, 24 seconds.
Really? That's amazing.
I know. This one feels like a breeze compared to the last one we did. Oh, wow, that is some line art there.
Cool.
I'm waiting for some Kittl.
Wow. I'm gonna actually
I know. Ooh, that is simple line art. They are not line. Okay, and then remove background.
super detailed, and it's even got depth in there. That's really cool. Hopefully it gets rid of the gold by default. Oh, that's even cooler.
Playing around with some ideas.
Got time here actually, so I don't have to be able to constricted, which is cool. I never thought there'd be this many options for line art.
Yeah, right?
That's crazy. You gotta try it. Let's see what the heck goes on here.
Oh, I bet I could. I converted it to a vector, and since it's line art, I can add a border to it and make the line art thicker. Nice.
Cool. This is trippy. Wow. It's got so much depth for just lines.
Yeah, that's pretty cool, man.
Okay, let's make it a scribbly one. I'm just gonna keep generating on these because these are cool.
That's in tacos. Yeah.
I gotta zoom out and see what you're doing over here.
I'm having fun. I need to do, let's see, copy.
All right, I didn't like that one.
Oh, I need to put, oh gosh, I zoomed out too much. Okay, this guy needs to go in the back. Okay, and then this guy needs to be a color I can see first. Just gonna go with red here. Okay, I'm gonna try something with the pen tool. Not sure if this is the best way to do it, but I'm gonna try and knock this out of the letters. How did you use the eraser or something last time, huh?
Yeah, I did.
But it wasn't on text, right?
I had to rasterize the text and then erase it. So if you click on the text and then you click on the eraser tool, it'll ask you if you're sure you want to rasterize it.
Really? Oh, I've never tried that. Okay, I'm gonna try it. That's something I need to learn anyway. Whoops. Get out of this pen tool, dude.
I'm having trouble with this, so I'm going to...
Okay, click on that and then the erase tool, huh? There it is. Do you sure you want to rasterize? Yes. Dude.
And also, just a reminder that we have the remainder. They're already burned through half of them, but Kittl has given us 10 million AI generated.
Yeah, that's crazy. That is crazy that they did that. I did not make a video for it. I feel bad that I missed the opportunity to tell people.
We mentioned it in this a couple of times, but that's...
We did, yeah.
About it, right?
Yeah, we did.
Let's see how we go. So yeah, we can use all of these AI credits for the duration amount left. Is there a counter somewhere telling us how many is left?
I don't think so. I haven't seen it. That would be cool though, because then it would be like, oh boy, I better hurry up and get my free stuff. By the time this video is out, it probably will be gone, but luckily we're okay.
I'm just going to keep going until I get one I like here. Got a couple.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I paused the timer, but we got 3 minutes left or so.
All right.
This is a fun one. I might keep this one.
Is cool. These are all cool. I still like my originals here.
Yeah.
This cat one is cool. Very much line drawing. I think I'm going to go with it. I just want to get rid of this blue dot here. So I have to get rid of you on here. Put you here. Get rid of you. Make you fit here. Smartboard. And
which one I want? Kind of fun. No, maybe to no. Yes, that's awesome.
I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm also trying one more to see what will happen because it's kind of cool to just have this one little element here. Oh, I should have made it a cat eye. I'll try one more generation after this. Put a cat eye inside the letter E in planets and see if that does anything, because right now it's blue and I tried to get to change this.
No, that's not it.
Work. Are we out of time?
No, 25 seconds. We're close. Reach for the stars. Oh, I didn't want the texture on here. There we go. That's better. Gosh.
I am good with this one. This one looks really cool to me. It was my first generation. It looks awesome.
Those words don't make sense. There we go. I was just going to move these. I was copying a template and I was reading the words on it and I'm like, that doesn't work. All right, I made 3 designs, but I think the main one I want is the first one that I did, even though it's not simple.
This is so not simple. Look at this.
So we both disregarded the simple line art thing. It was like,
Oh, it was supposed to be simple, wasn't it?
yeah, I really like the one that's not simple on mine too.
Yeah.
But it's line art, I guess, kinda. I guess that rocket ship's kind of filled in, but a lot of the other parts line art.
Yeah, that's cool.
So I did some other really simple line art ones to the side of it just in case I needed to follow the rules or something. But
yeah, I totally broke the rules. Totally ignored them. I'll ignore weird core.
yeah.
All I would do is probably, blend out these edges here or like distress them out to white.
Which one are you going with?
The one on my artboard right here in big.
Oh, the big one. Oh, nice. Wow. I can see why you went with that one. That's wow.
Line art.
That could be like a fun coloring book one too.
Totally.
Yeah.
Just distress the edges so it kind of fades out and probably listed on a cream color shirt, I think, instead of white would show through.
Oh yeah. Show through.
This is a fun one. I like to play around with this one. But looking at what I had for actual design here, if I look at this guy right here. Oh wait.
Yeah.
This one right here.
That's a pretty cool one. If we didn't have the line art stipulation.
I think I'll put this on a shirt as is anyway.
Yeah, that one's pretty cool. Paws and Planets.
In our what are we calling it? The Design Duel brand on
That's right. And I could that's where I could put these other two.
Yeah. So I said in the previous recording of this that I forgot to hit record on that we are going to start a brand on Amazon merch just called Design Duel, and you guys can go look at them. Hopefully you don't just click on a bunch of stuff because it probably will tell Amazon not to keep showing our stuff in search results. You know how that goes. But we're going to put all our designs in there, and that way, we'll see if any of them sell. So these are our 2 iterations for today. I'm definitely adding this one down here in there. Yeah. But I think yours, well, I guess they both hit the nail on the head as far as line art goes.
Yeah, they're line art-ish. I mean, not simple, but they're line art.
I really like this simple one here, this Explore Space.
Yeah.
I just like the aesthetic of it, the 2 colors and the...
Yeah, that one I saved to be like super simple. I like that. These are all AI art, by the way. So this rocket and this person on the moon and this really detailed rocket, that's all Kittl AI, which is amazing. It can do all those styles.
And then I wanted to show you the designs we came up with before.
Oh, yeah.
So they were weird core. I'll just be closer to yours. They were weird core and what? 70s.
70s weird core, which was really hard on us, which is why like these took us a long time. We went a little over, but it was really cool.
Yeah. So the weirdest thing for us was weird core because neither of us really knew what the heck we were looking at. And then 70s we tried to infuse, of course, but everything we saw with weird core was like mushrooms and eyeballs. So I never would have thought eyeballs would be in there. I just figured everything weird.
I know. It's weird that, well, of course, it's weird. It's weird that there's eyeballs, but that's the point, right? It's supposed to be weird.
So let us know down below which one you guys think's won this week's and the the weird one as well, the weird core one as well.
Yeah.
I'll show you these ones again down here.
Yep, coming down.
These guys here, both
these
pretty
two.
Cool. I think this would look cool on a front of a coloring book for...
Absolutely. That's what I was thinking.
That's right. It just looks like a book cover right now.
It does.
That said, let us know also in the comments too if you have any subject matter or aesthetic ideas. We'll add them to the list and we'll get going on it. Juno, once again, thank you so much for joining me on this. Always a fun blast of a time. And it's just fun. The creative juice is flowing, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, this is fun. So fun.
Awesome. See you guys next week.
Bye.